Hey, what's up guys, Monkey126 and today we have an unboxing video of a Slingshot and Hypersphere dual pack, which is Perfect Phoenix, Zero Yard, Yard-S that is, and, what is it, Myth Dragon 2, I think it's Dragon 2, Outer, and I don't know the driver, honestly. So let's look at the back of the stats. You can see all the parts. If anyone can tell me what this driver is in the comments, let me know, or message me over Discord or whatever, because I genuinely don't know, and I'm not sure. It looks kind of, I don't know, like an attack type tip. So let's get it unboxed. I already got these flaps right here, undone, cut to make it easier. So we'll get it unboxed now. I'll take that out. Of course, you got usual paper manual thing. You can toss that off to the side. Doesn't matter. Toss the box off to the side. Here we'll take out the bays. Take out all the parts. And there we go. Let's Phoenix out. And let's get the disc out. And last but not least, the driver. And there. Okay, all done. So next, we'll move on to looking at the base. So first up, we have Perfect Phoenix. Where is it? Okay, there we go. Perfect Phoenix. And take the armor off. Then you got the hub. Of course, no metal, but because that's Hasbro, but it still looks pretty cool. I like it. Here's the QR code if you want it, if it'll show it. There we go. Take that if you want it, or pause the video, whatever. Next up we have the Zero disc, which is a pretty good disc for limited. Burst limited, that is, obviously. And yeah, nothing else to say about that. And last but not least, we have Yard-S, which is I'm pretty sure it's a top tier competitive driver in Burst Classic and Burst Limited, so pretty cool. I don't know how to do the slingshot mode. You twist it, pull up. Okay, I got the twist part, but how does it go up? Okay, I'm not gonna bother with it, but yeah. Next up we have Myth Dragon. I'll take out the chip. First up we have the Myth layer, which looks really cool, black and blue. Of course it's hollowed out like Hasbro usually does, but that's okay. And next we have the Dragon 2 chip, I believe, which looks really cool. Here's the QR code for that. Here, we'll get that closer. There we go. Take that if you want it. Up next we have Outer, which is a really good stamina disc for limited, I believe. Well, as I've been told. I already have one of these, but it's always nice to have another one. And I already have a lot of, what is it? Zeros, but of course it's always nice to have more. And last but not least, we have whatever this driver is. Is it like Charge 3? Is it like the third charge that came on Rock Dragon, or I have no clue, but it's a driver. So let's put them together. Let's see how good the slopes are in Dragon. They're pretty good, honestly. They're not bad. Yeah, they're actually, you know what? They're actually pretty good. Yeah, this chip actually is decent. And let's see how good the Phoenix is. Ooh, the slopes on Phoenix are good too. What the? This is uncharacteristic for this pack to be that good, but actually no, it's not uncharacteristic, because apparently this pack is pretty good. So let's do test launches of both the bays. I'm going to do this one in normal mode. And I don't know how to do the slingshot mode because I'm special. Okay, here. Come here. I'm going to learn how to do this. Okay, twist over. Do you pull up? No. No, you don't. I don't know how to do it. Yeah, I'm gonna give up on that. And then we're gonna launch Dragon. Hopefully it'll stay in. Well, I jinxed it. And yeah, let's do a battle now. Sorry if there's any background noise. My family's out there talking. So 3, 2, 1, let it go. Of course, self-KO. Let's try it again. Ah! I dropped it. It's okay, though. Do I have that? Okay, I have that locked back in position. Oh, knocked out by Phoenix. Okay. Sorry if that was out of focus. I wasn't paying attention whether it was in focus or not. Okay. Good attack from both bays. Now it's coming down to stamina. Let's see who's gonna win. And the winner is... It's getting close. And it is Myth Dragon. Okay, let's do one more battle and... Oh! The armor popped off. Let me get the armor back on. Okay. Ah! Where did that go? Oh, found it. Okay. That went flying off. That was not bueno. Okay. Did I break something? No. It just was clicking on there. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm just trying to get this to go back on. Okay. Yeah, that's good enough. It should stay on now. And it's a knockout. Okay, well, I'll call that it for this review. So if you guys enjoyed, leave a like down below, comment down below, thoughts, ideas, suggestions. If you want to join the Discords, I'll leave them in the description of me and my friends' YouTube Discord and mine, my own personal one. So, yeah, that's it. And as always, peace out.